Alright, so Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a friendly game of boy against Golden Warriors, and credit Asante Kotoko Media. Yayaha highlights media. So this goal was from Baba Yayaha, across and defenders in the play and what we call a low ball volley from Baba Yayaha. So he scored the first goal for Asante Kotoko on that occasion. Now move for Nicholas Mensah. At the second goal, so a shot, a boy the sea form into a bounce. It was hard for the goalkeeper to make the save. So second goal from Nicholas Mensah, Emma Kotoko share 2. Nicholas Mensah ever kind of 1-7. So Golden Warriors also tried goalkeeper friend of Frederick Asare, but also save who. Now the third goal in here, you watch it from here. The pass comes in between Asante and Mensah Ofori Ziggy. So it started between Baba Yayaha, Mensah Ofori Ziggy, and Asante, your friend, Nicholas Mensah, at the Kahoma, 3. To the front three, which is Nicholas, Baba Yayaha, Mensah Ofori Ziggy, and a combine. Now, a go at the last goal, and also Nicholas gives the ball to Yayaha to Nicholas to Yayaha to Mensah Ofori Ziggy. Yayaha at the ball of the coach, the man Nicholas. He sent a decent pass back to Yayaha. Now Yayaha Pia the man, Mensah Ofori, and a bottle at him. About Asante Kotoko, a share by 4-0 against Golden Warriors. Credit Asante Kotoko Media. And the video we buy a Trebi a day actually.